Hey everybody, I'm Dorothy the Organizer, and I'm here to get you prepped for your Thanksgiving holiday. And I don't mean clearing your space, I don't mean organizing your toiletries or bedroom closet. I mean getting ready for the people who are coming. And that is by asking questions and getting to know them and preparing to have a really great experience with your people. So how do I want you to do that? I've got a great idea. And sorry, I'm walking uphill. I'm here in the mountains and just doing my daily walk. But I want you to go over to a website called DebbieBiddix.com. Here, this is how it's spelled. D-E-B-B-Y, Biddix, B-I-T-T-I-C-K-S.com, DebbieBiddix.com. And she has an entire book called Cherished Memories, the story of my life. Totally free, digital download, no strings attached. You just simply go to that website, put in the word gratitude for the promo code, and you can totally get all the questions, get the entire book, and share it with your family and have the most meaningful conversations and the most meaningful Thanksgiving ever. Good luck and happy Thanksgiving.